A very good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to start with a new topic, the simple past tense. Here I will tell you about the rules and how do we use simple past tense. Also, I will be discussing about when do we use simple past tense. This is only the explanation video. I want all of you to try your exercises on your own first, and later I will give you the correct answers. So let's start with the simple past tense. Simple past tense use. In simple past tense, we use the past form of the verb. In the negative sentence, we use did not plus the root form of the verb. In questions, while framing questions, we put did before the subject and use the root form of the verb. For example, why did Vivek not buy the flowers? So we have used did before Vivek and buy, which is the root form of the verb, we have used. This we use in simple past tense. So basically we can say that simple past tense are used to show the actions that started and finished in the past. For example, I went to the beach last Sunday. I bought a new car yesterday. Beginning with the past tense, I want to tell you that in past tense, we always have two types of verbs. That is, the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. To make the past form in the regular verbs, we use ed at the end of the base verb, the base form of the verb. For example, play, we add ed at the end of play, it will become played. Work will become worked, stay will become stayed, listen will become listened, and so on. Let us now understand about the irregular verb forms. While making the irregular verb forms into past, the form changes from infinitives, usually with a vowel change. These verbs can be grouped according to certain change patterns which helps to memorize them. Let us now understand few examples. Look at these words. These are verbs. They have certain change patterns. For example, speak has become spoke. Eat has become ate. See has become saw. Fly has become flew. Think has become thought. So these are having certain change patterns, but I would recommend you to learn them by heart, memorize them. Let us now remember the verb to be, the forms of to be. In positive sentence, we use I was in London last year. In simple present tense, if you remember, we used to use I am. But am here will become was. Okay? Negative sentences, they weren't at home last weekend. So in simple present tense, we used to use they are. So are will become were. In negative form, we will use not with were. So in simply, we can say that is and am will change its forms and become was in simple past tense, whereas are will become were. This was easy to learn. There are few other points that we need to remember is that in positive sentences we use subject plus the past form of the verb and the object. For example, I played football yesterday. I went home early on Saturday. In negative sentence, we use did, and with did, we use not. So it will become didn't or did not. For example, I did not play football yesterday. I didn't go home early on Saturday. Now here you must have seen that though we are using did not, we have used only the base form of the verb, that is play and go. Other things that you need to understand while framing a question is we always use did. So did you play football yesterday? Did you go home early on Saturday? Did you go home early on Saturday? Now there are certain questions in which you use the W's, 7 W's. I hope you remember the 7 W's. The 7 W's are what, when, where, which, who, why, when. Okay. So with these W's, how? With these W's, we use did. For example, if the sentence is like this, I ate a boiled egg and 2 sandwiches, my question with what will be, what did you eat in breakfast? So, what did, okay, what did, and then base form after the subject, that is you के बाद में eat. Let us see another example. They held the audition last week. And when is given. So you will use when did they held the audition? Question mark. Fine. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you understood the concept of simple past tense. This was the end of my explanation for simple past tense. I want all of you to do the exercise on your own first. And if you do not understand anything or anywhere you are stuck, please write in the comment box so I will get back to you. One more thing that I need to ask you is to please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification for any upcoming videos which I will be posting from next week and beyond. Thank you once again for watching the video.